Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming which log you need, natural ln or common log. Once done, make sure your calculator is set to standard mode, not complex or statistics mode, so functions behave normally. Next, type the positive number whose logarithm you want. Don't use 0 or negatives because logs are undefined there. After entering the number, pause and visually verify the digits. Mistakes here propagate. Then you're ready to press the appropriate log key to compute. Now press the correct log key, ln for natural log or log for base 10. The calculator will display a value which you read directly. A negative result means the original number was between 0 and 1, while positive means greater than 1. Make sure you understand that this result is the exponent. For common log, 10, result equals the original number. For natural log, result equals the original number. If you need a different base, follow the change of base step next. To find a log with a different base, use the change of base formula. Log base, a equals log a divided by log base. You can use either ln or log consistently. Enter log a, divide by log base, and press equals. Parentheses help keep the division grouped correctly. If your calculator lacks dedicated log functions, compute with ln manually or use an alternative device. If results look wrong, re-enter numbers, ensure correct base selection, and check for stray parentheses or mode error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.